Hello, it's Mr. B again. How are ya? It's going to be a little bit of a different video this time because I've got my guitar. Okay, I thought what we could do is sing some songs about letters, and then I'll sing you a friendship song at the end, okay? So why don't we start with our ABC song? And these are songs that you hear me sing at speech. I sing ABCs, and I also sing the letter sound song. So let's do them together, and then you can listen to them at home. It's going to be awesome. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time you sing with me. Next time you sing with me. It's next time right now. Let's do it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time you sing with me. Next time you sing with me. Next time you sing with me. Whoa, my furnace turned off. So for our next jam, you'll be able to hear me just a tiny bit better. All right? Now that we're thinking about letters, A, B, C, all the way down to Z, we also have our letter sound song. When we sing this one, you can look at the picture of the poster I sent you so you can follow along, and then maybe you will connect the words in the song to different things that you can do with those things. So like the first one is an apple. What do we do with an apple? We eat it, okay? And a baby, well, you can do a lot of different things when you think about baby. You can see the baby. You can hear the baby. You might even be able to smell the baby, okay? So as I sing the song, maybe you pick a few words to match up with things that you do with those things, okay? So if you had, let me think. Window. Window is going to be the one for W. Maybe you have to open the window, or maybe you have to look out the window. All right? Be creative. All right? There's so many different things you can do with the different things I sing about in this song. So this is the letter sound song. I hope you like it. Wait a minute, you know this one. Well, if you're sitting with grandma or grandpa, or maybe mom or brother or sister or daddy, show them this song. We sing this song in speech all the time. Here we go. Do you know these letter sounds? Do you know these letter sounds? They will help us learn to read. They will help us with our speech. First one, apple, 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 baby, 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 Tin kitten, lion, lion, la, la, la. Lion, lion, la, la, la. Monkey, 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 necklace, 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 ostrich, 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 pumpkin, pumpkin, pop, 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 pop. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pop, pop, pop. Quarter, quarter, quack, quack, quack. Quarter, quarter, quack, quack, quack. Rabbit, rabbit, rah, rah, rah. Rabbit, rabbit, rah, rah, rah. Scissors, 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 tiger, 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 undershirt, 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 vacuum, 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 window, window, whoa, whoa, window, window, whoa, whoa, whoa. X-ray, 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 two more. Yo, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Zebra, 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 Now we know our letter sounds. Now we know our letter sounds. They will help us learn to read. They will help us with our speech. All right. That one was great too. Boy, 2 songs to help us with our letters and the sounds that they make and the words that go with those letters and sounds. It's perfect. Now, as you know, Berens and Friends has many, many songs, and this next one is really more of a friendship song. It's about being kind, okay? Now this one might be something that you have to do with your family while you're home, staying inside, away from the germy germs, okay? For this one, you could try and find the word again if you wanted to. Either up here in your mind so you can say again, or maybe if you have a device and you need to say it on that, you can find the word again on there too. But this is a song about kindness. Hope you like it. Hey, every kind, each and every day, 'cause you can be the best part of somebody's day. You can tell someone, somebody new, they don't have to be lonely, 'cause they can sit next to you. Give a smile, show you care. You can compliment someone's hair. You know, boring and wrong. We all gotta get along. Like a friend, you're alone. This can nail you rock and roll. Sing a song, you will find. You gotta get yourself being kind. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Got quiet. Do it again, do it again, do it again. friend. Oh, love your rock and roll. Sing a song you'll find. You gotta teach us a being kind. Do it again. Let me do it again. Quiet again. Do it again. Do it again. Let me do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Let me do it again. Whoa, it's getting louder. Do it again. Do it again. Then do it again. 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 Let me do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Let me do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Then do it again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Wow, that's a third song. We sound great today, I think. Especially when you sing with me. It sounds awesome. All right, so you got your ABC song, you got your letter sound song, and then we finished up with that friendship song about being kind. All right? I hope you like it. Obviously, you can listen to these songs more than once. Sing along, bring it in the car. Play it in the background when you're eating dinner. Play it when you're going to bed at night. Play it when you're in the bathtub. Just have fun with it. These songs can really teach us some stuff, and we can also have fun while we listen to them. Okay? See you next time. Bye.